Jamesy has been looking for his passport for the last, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. And if you look to your this side, and now if you take a look to the back aisle, you'll see Jamesy in a panic. Right, so we just got the car. We're all officially broke. It's day 2. We got all of our shit. We now have to hike all of our gear up to the car park.
Look at the fucking colour of that. Shit, man. Imagine just torrential rain.
Whoa, fuck. I was impressed with that one. I was. Get the page down, paged.
We'll give you a little tour, actually, we will.
Yeah, sure.
Just so you
I
can
think
have
James is in the shower.
We'll go in there and show you Jamesy's hole too. So actually,
Yeah, fly outside.
you have a look at this view that we're fucking. We go out here and we have our little balcony to, and then it's just this. Where else in the world would you see this? Like this is just. That's our little motor, the white yoke.
That car down there.
It's a heap of shit.
Yeah.
Don't rent off. What's the name of the company?
Avis or something.
We'll tell you the name. Don't rent off them. They're key bags. But with all this behind us, see this. This is actually a good road in comparison to what we drove up.
Yeah.
Right, moving swiftly on.
Take her inside.
This is the lounge area.
Getting the flares on.
This is where the magic won't be happening. No.
No.
Getting out fucking. Hell yeah. We got a slight peek at Jamesy in the shower. Go on, Jamesy. And there's our
That's our kitchen.
fine dining in the morning.
As you can see,
Stocked.
stocked up for the next week pretty much. We're all good. Half price food across the road.
Love it.
Pasta, bolognese, oranges.
What else would you need? And obviously, we don't even know what these are. They're pretty horrible, but
Pretty.
I'm pretty sure they're probably gone off as well. But